What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is the High Yield Investor. Doing our weekly update on our options trading income series. Let's see how things went this week. All right, so we did get some called away. We had one riot at a $16 strike. Got called away. We made $100 on that sale. We had three more of them at $16. We made a total of $450 on those. And we had one IREN called away at $53. We made $1,150 on that one. And then we had two CleanSpark at $12.50 that we made $100 on, and we had two of them at $12.50 that we sold for the same price we bought them for, so we didn't make any appreciation on that. So all those funds will now be available to sell puts again. So we sold one put on Hood for $103 strike price, paid us $141 in premium. Sold two SoFis at $25, brought in $66 in premium. And we sold two TQQQ puts at $50. That brought in $152 in premium. So we brought in $360 in premiums on the puts. And then we still have these IonQ that we're selling calls on. We sold one at $52 strike price. That'll bring in $83 in premium. And we sold two SoFis at $27.50, which is the same thing we paid for them, and we got $20 in premium on that. So those call premiums plus all the appreciation we made on the sales was a total of $1,903 added to our put premium. So we made a total of $2,264. Really good week. That was a nice week. So let's add that 2264.54 to our year to date. 2264.54. This is week 9. 19th. It's actually the 20th because it was Martin Luther King Day on the 19th. So that brings our total up to, we've made $6,303 in 9 weeks. Let's see what our calculator says. For week 9, we should be at 2,873. Man, we are way ahead. Of course, that all them sales helped a lot. Let's see, 6,303. That would be way down here at week 17, and we're only on week 9. So it's going really, really well. Can't complain about that at all. Today was a huge red day, so we'll see how that affects our outcome this week. Trump threatened 10% tariffs on Europe, so the market decided that wasn't a good thing, and everybody decided maybe we'll sell today. So we'll have to see what happens tomorrow. I don't know why the market does that. It's going to all come out in the wash. But if they want to overreact, then that creates volatility, which creates premiums for us as we sell options. So we'll take that. But that's where we stand for this week, and we'll be back next week with another update. Until next time, this is the High Yield Investor signing off.